Hey guys, this is Darren with EveryManTEch, and today we'll be discussing Wi-Fi mesh systems. And in particular, the one I will be talking about today is the Deco AC1200 wire mesh system, which is made by the company TP-Link. If you was looking for a way to upgrade your home Wi-Fi system and you were just running out of options, I think I might have one for you. The Deco AC1200 Wi-Fi mesh system that I have here might be a great product that you should definitely consider. Considering that this device here, along with 3 others that come in the pack, can cover up to 5,500 square feet of home. But also, which is great about it, is the fact that it does have a lot of main features that you definitely might find beneficial. I know I do. One of those main features is the parental control. Now, the parental control allows you to monitor and control the content on every device that's connected to it. Another great feature about this product is the fact that it does offer an access point. So if you can actually use your existing network that you're using from the internet service provider, and you can actually amplify that. And you was using these routers from AC1200. And also, this system is very versatile in the fact that you don't have to buy the 3-pack system in particular. It's just say if you require less coverage, or you live in this 1-bedroom apartment, studio, that you can really get the coverage you need with maybe just 1 or 2 systems at the most. So you don't have to buy the 3-pack system, so you can buy any system that you want. And if you do require 3 systems, you can buy the 3, of course. Or if you need more, you can always buy more. They do sell them in a single unit, so you can definitely have to worry about being locked down only to the 3-pack system. This Wi-Fi mesh system also provides the MU-MIMU technology feature, which, if you're not familiar with it, what it practically does is it allows every device connected to your network to have its own dedicated connection. So what does that mean? If you're at home working, or your kids are doing work at home now with COVID-19 and in-home school learning, the kids can be on their own computer, can actually do their own streaming or whatever they're doing. You can actually do your work, and every device that's connected will have its own connection. So there will be no network lag or any loss in functionality. And so the MU-MIMU technology, which is very, very, very good for myself, with having 3 kids and working from home, is definitely beneficial. And the fact that I don't get to lose speeds, and they don't have to lose time or doing a lot of their homework or losing any network connection with in-home learning, definitely is a great bonus. So definitely, if you're definitely looking for something that offers that type of technology, the AC1200 definitely is the system for you. Oh, and I almost forgot. I don't know how I forgot this feature. That if you setting up the guest Wi-Fi system is totally easy. When you install the app, it will see an option where it'll tell you, hey, set up the guest Wi-Fi, and it's really easy. It practically sets it up for you, so there's no complicated passwords or complicated setup procedures with that. This guy actually takes care of it for you. So rest assured that when you have guests over, they won't have problems connecting to it, and you won't have a problem helping them get connected, because the app controls everything and it walks you through. It's really that simple. Now, for the design, I find it kind of sleek. It comes in white. There's no other colors, unfortunately, but it is very smooth to the touch, and it is very nice. And you also can see that it does offer 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports. So if you have a PS4 or any other video game system, or anything that requires a direct Ethernet connection, you have double options as well. Cut. Now on to the pros for this system. It is a very wonderful system. Like I said, I personally use it. I know there's other ones on the market, Now my main reason for purchasing it was definitely the affordability. For what you can get for the 3-router system that TP-Link offers is a lot more expensive with the other units. But and also parental other control that I like, or another pros that I think that was very awesome, was the fact that it does offer an app control system. So setting it up was very easy. All you have to do is install the Deco app and use it, and it will actually walk you through step by step on how to install it, how to make sure everything's connected, and that's practically it. So controlling it and setting it up from box to wherever you're setting it up at is totally easy, and it's so easy that you don't really require IT support or have to have any technical knowledge. It walks you through. It's really that simple. Now for the cons of this system, as wonderful of a system that it is, it does have some negativities about it. One being the fact that it is only compatible with Amazon Alexa voice control. So if you have, let's say, a Google Home or an Apple Home, unfortunately, you won't be able to voice control the system. It will still work, but you just will lose that smart home compatibility unless you just love Amazon, and it'll practically be okay for you. Now for myself, I have a Google Home system, so I wish it was compatible, but it's not really a added feature that I was really requiring, because I just needed something that can just provide extra coverage in the dead spots that I have in my home. Another, I would say, negative feature that you can say, it might not be negative to you, it all depends on the user. I would definitely have to say that the voice control feature is very limited. Now, unlike, let's say, the Google Nest Wi-Fi system, which allows you to not only voice control the network connections, but it also allows you to play music, and it also serves as a speaker as well. So with this one, only thing you can be able to do is just tell it to connect to a network or to connect your guest Wi-Fi, and that's practically about it. But my overall opinion of the system, I think it's a very great system. If you're someone who's looking for something very affordable, you don't want to pay the extra money to upgrade your network service provider, internet, I would definitely say to go with this or something similar to it. There's other options. If you're definitely looking for something more than just a basic mesh Wi-Fi system, I would definitely say yes, maybe the Google one might definitely be for you. It comes at a higher price point, but if you're requiring more, or you want more out of your system and you want more of that smart home feature, I would say definitely go with the Google Home. But if you're just looking for something basic and you just want to just be able to amplify your current signal, or just to even connect, create your own network, because this one does that as well, where you can actually create your own internet service, I would say definitely go with this guy here. Okay, offer anything else. So again, overall, this is a great system, and I will have information about this system along with the Google Home system if you're interested below. And again, thank you very much for checking out my video, and if you have any comments, requests, or likes, please hit the likes down below, enter the comments, any requests or any other ideas or anything, that other products that you would like to see, definitely leave those in the comments below. And please subscribe. I'll have that link down below as well, so if you can definitely get notification of all the new videos I'll be putting up in the near future. Again, this is Darren with EveryManTEch, and thanks for listening. Bye.